I've just got home from work. We had planned to go into Yorkton today because Matthew has been on an annual fishing trip for the last day, 2 days. So what I'll do is insert, he didn't film anything, but he did film with the drone, so I'll put the footage in here. Going to Yorkton, doing some food shopping and probably going to Canadian Tire. Matthew's just nipped to the co-op to get some gas so that we can cut the grass. And because Matthew's been playing around with the drone recently, I am going to play around with the drone today. So I'm going to film him cutting the grass. We're basically just going to film everything with the drone now. The vlogs have just got a little bit more interesting. Calgary is going to be sick. But yeah, so we're going to have a day at home and then hopefully tomorrow we'll go food shopping because our fridge, to be fair, is never full.
Well, I have just got home from work with His Majesty, and he wants to go outside, but don't think I'll be going out in that.
It's raining sideways!
First real rain, and the gutters are overflowing. So, get your turn around there. I guess I should probably go check the basement. No water so far. She's clear. Let it come. And look at this lucky person. Look at that. She comes home just as it stopped raining, really. Let's watch her get wet.
I thought I put it in gear, but I obviously didn't. So it nearly just hit the school. Because I'd locked it, got out, and it moved. So I just had to scramble, and it was like this close off the school.
I am not happy with how wet you are.
How wet I am?
Yes.
What?
You are lucky.
What do you mean I'm lucky?